We're talking about systems of equations in three variables. We want to graph a system of linear inequalities in three variables to find the solutions of the system, and use systems of linear equations in three variables to solve real-life problems. And when we were dealing with systems of equations with two variables, we had three possible solutions. We have one solution where the lines intersected. We have infinite solutions where the lines were overlapping or they were the same line. And then we had no solution where the lines were parallel to each other and never intersected. Well, that's going to be the same thing here. When we have a system of equations with three variables, we're able to form these planes. And these planes can intersect in three different ways. They could intersect at one point. So we can see that right here, that the orange and the blue plane are intersecting. But in all of those locations, there's only one place where the orange and the blue plane intersect the green plane. And that is at that dot right there. So while the blue plane and the orange plane do form a line together, when we add the green plane in, there's only one point that is the intersection. And that will give us an ordered pair, as you guys can see there, in X, Y, Z. Next, we have infinite solutions. And we can see that that does form a line right there, and all of the planes intersect to form that line that continues in all directions. Now there's a couple of different ways that we could get no solution. So here, again, we have the orange and the green plane. They do intersect and they form a line. But in this case, we're talking about a system of three equations with three variables. And the blue equation does not intersect the green or the orange. And then here, we have the green plane is parallel with the blue plane, so they never intersect. So you could find a solution that would be a line that shows the intersection between orange and green, but you wouldn't be able to find a solution that is a solution for all the planes together. And then we have another example where none of the planes intersect. And obviously that's no solution. So again, we have opportunity for one solution. We have the opportunity for infinite solution, which the planes together would form a line. We have an opportunity where there's no solution, where there's possibilities where all three planes don't